The world of healthcare can be difficult to navigate if you don't have the right guide. Hi, I'm Angie, your healthcare guide. Welcome to your go to channel for making healthcare simple. With a degree in healthcare management and over 20 years in the field, from the clinic side to insurance to tech. And let's not forget, I'm a patient myself. I know how confusing this can be, and I'm here to break it down for you. No jargon, just clear, friendly explanations. On this channel, we'll decode things like your summary of benefits and coverage. What's a deductible, copay, or out of pocket max? We'll also tackle topics like HMO, PPO, HDHP. What do these acronyms actually mean? And referrals and prior authorizations. When do you need one? Real examples, real answers. Ready to make healthcare less confusing? Hit that subscribe button and join me, Angie, your healthcare guide. Let's figure this out together.